Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the picture with celebrity AI generated trend using Google Gemini. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can visit gemini.google.com or you can open up the Gemini application, and this is how the trend looks like, and I'm going to show you guys how you can join the trend. Okay, I'm going to create new chat, and we need to choose Nano banana feature on Gemini, and you can upload your picture with your favorite celebrity. I'm just going to use this one and also this one, my favorite celebrities, and then I'm going to add the prompt, and this is the prompt that you need to add. Okay, and after that we're going to submit the prompt and also the photos, and just hold on guys, the AI will create a picture for you. And tips from me guys, you need to upload photos with clear face and also clear background, so the result will be better. And if you can, I recommend you to use two photos which have similar lighting. Okay, and it's still loading guys. Okay, and this is the result. Oh, it's a little bit blur because the photo is also blur, and yeah, not bad. It's cool. It's real. I mean, the face doesn't change. Okay guys, and that's how you can do a picture with celebrity AI generated trend. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!